In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to create a double color effect in Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design. Let's use this image as an example. Drop it onto the page and adjust its size and position as needed. Next, head over to the Apps tab and search for Trippy. Click the Trippy app to open it. Once it's loaded, select the Split Effect option. Now here's the fun part, adjusting the RGB shift to enhance the effect. There's also an option called Jitter in the settings if you want to add a glitch effect. You can increase the jitter slightly, but since we're focusing on the double color effect today, I'll leave it at 0. Another option called Solarize is available. Leave it at 0 as well. Once you're happy with the adjustments, click Save. And just like that, your double color effect is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.